Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to delete files in SiteGround. First, visit siteground.com website, then click on Login. Fill in your login credentials and hit Login again. Now go to Websites from the top menu, and next to your website, click on this Site Tools button. Now go to Site from this left side menu, select File Manager, and just like that you will see this table or this page that lets you access your website files. Now, to access your website files, in my case bentutorial.com, just click on this public HTML folder, double click it, and you will see all your website files here. In my case, my website only has one single file, which is default.html. Before I delete it, let's give my website a visit. As you can see, this is the single page in my website. Now, to delete this single file, just click on it using the right button on your mouse and select delete. This action cannot be undone. Are you sure you wish to proceed? Yes, click on confirm. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called SiteGround Shared Hosting Explained today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with SiteGround, how to set up your website, how to make your WordPress or a website in general secure inside SiteGround, also how to optimize your website speed and performance, how to manage files and databases inside SiteGround, how to set up email, how to manage your domains and DNS, advanced tools, e-commerce setup, SEO and analytics, and also how to manage your SiteGround account and contact support. You can get all of this for free today, plus my other courses on the same platform, which are courses about other web hosting providers or other tools like this Canva tools, MailChimp, Squarespace, and let's see the page number 2. Google Search Console, Hostinger, Website Builder, Bluehost, HostGator, Namecheap. To get all of this today for free, simply go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. And just like that, I deleted one item. Now, if I go back to my website and hit refresh, as you can see now, my website does not have a single file. And this is the default page that SiteGround uses if your website does not have a single file. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.